This is AP News Minute. Investors appear to be relieved by the government's plan to rescue banks from billions of dollars in bad debt. Stocks are soaring, and the Dow had shot up more than 300 points after an hour of trading. The federal government is fighting on multiple fronts to stop a financial meltdown. The Treasury Department will begin insuring eligible money market mutual funds. The SEC has temporarily banned short selling of stocks. And Congress is expected to review a Treasury plan to shore up failing banks and other financial institutions. North Korea is preparing to restart its nuclear reactor and withdrawing its request to be removed from the U.S. terrorism blacklist. The communist country accuses the United States of failing to fulfill its obligations under a disarmament for aid agreement. Welterweight boxer Oscar Diaz has awakened from a 2-month-long coma. Diaz has been in the coma since sustaining severe brain injuries during a bout. Hospital officials say the 25-year-old is breathing on his own. Doctors are cautiously optimistic about his recovery. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press, with AP News Minute.